This is the cash register, Smoke Heaven, Bethel, Connecticut. And here's the first thing we can do. You see this register sign top left. Hit that top left button. You will come to this screen. Go right and click that tobacco. Then come here. You see here. Let's say open tobacco. So you will see, put the amount here. I put just 1 cent. And when you enter the amount, whole amount, whatever you enter, then set the price. You see prices here. Then pay on the bottom left. And if you want credit card, you can hit that thing and then they can slide the card in the back right there. And if they want to pay cash, you can hit the amount whatever they pay you cash, 5, 10, 20. Like suppose they pay this, then this will be highlighted. Then this will be open. Close the register. And if they want receipt, here is a print. You can print the receipt. Here say no. So no, it is. Then you can print your receipt here. If you don't need receipt for cash, but credit card you need receipt. So hit this one and then hit done. So you are back on the same screen. So if you want to go back from this screen, in the bottom like Android phone, you have 3 dots. So hit that. When you hit that and you want reporting, hit that reporting. Then you hit that. Then you hit full report. That the way you can print the full report at closing. That's it, I think.